Hello everyone. If your Android camera is having focus problems on your device and you're looking out for some fixes for that, we can start by following up these methods. So the first thing we can do is we can restart our phone. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on it, and a simple restart should often fix the glitches that may be happening. Also, what you can do is you can just go over and clear out the cache and data for your application of camera. Hold it up and go to the info and go to storage and look out for the option for clear cache in the bottom right corner, and also clear the data. That should reset the settings. You can check it out as well. And apart from that, you can do a software update. So for that, go to settings, scroll down, find the option for software update and tap on it and update it if there's any kind of update available. Also update the camera application in the Play Store. You can head over and find the camera application and update it, and those are probably the settings you can follow up. And apart from that, what you need to do is if you are having a hardware issue, sometimes gently wiping the camera lens with a soft cloth also removes the smudges and dust that may be causing the issue. And also check if it's a hardware issue, because it's sometimes it likely needs professional repair. So you can check it out and follow up these methods usually for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.